Hello guys and welcome back to my channel AntiConfusion. So today we are going to post one image through our code to Instagram. So for the initial steps we need a project that should be PHP as I am doing this code through PHP, and after that we will be installing Composer in that project. So for Composer installation you can refer to this documentation, and if you go to this documentation you can simply click on the composer setup.exe and it will get installed. And for the Mac users, here you will get the commands as well, so you can do it through this. And after the installation we will be needing one library which gives us support to post our image to Instagram. So for this you can just run this command on your CMD, and then you are good to go to post the image. And what this library does is it gives us the user data, and we can also post the image using media and media publish. So here is all the documentation. I will provide this link on the description, and you can also refer to this guide, but since this guide is not as helpful as I have created in the video, so following my video will be more easy to upload your image onto Instagram. So let's begin.